just like me. I'm hungry. Welcome. Have a nice day. Watching me news. A special ceremony was held on the 29th to reveal a new monument dedicated to Bruce. Monument on Andromeda Mountain. Bruce is particularly fond of it for obvious reasons. At the unveiling, Bruce joked with the audience, saying, "It looks more like me than I do." He asked some islanders for their thoughts on the matter. Do you have any more details? These guys work really hard, don't you? Thanks for watching. For your 6 o'clock me news, this is Maggie Gale, signing off. Victory is yours to lose and mine to keep.
I'm super fresh, and you're just a sheep. Your rhymes are the very definition of whack.
Skills and good taste are all things you lack. You're a rap game head, I'm the rap game frying pan.
Your shoes are weird.
What should I say when I'm happy? Cheese is good. My name's Maggie. I love being inspired by the world around me. I let my friend borrow my favorite book and I got it back in tatters. The nerve. I'm Evie. I love being the center of attention. I'm hungry. Yay. I want to be friends with Gabby. What should I talk about to get along with her? Thanks for the advice. I'll go talk to her right now. the way you are now. I agree. You're totally awesome. Like, let's play a game. Here's your first Islander fact. Cassie and Tim were born on the same day of the month. The correct answer is false. Next up, your second Islander fact. Mason and Evie are at the same level. The correct answer is true. And finally, the last Islander fact. Gabby and Creator are wearing the same outfit. The correct answer is true. You did it. Congratulations. Time for your prize. Go ahead, pick one.
Hello and welcome to the evening edition of Me News. The charming Gabby crab is similar to a hermit crab and has been spotted on our shores recently. Gabby crabs are seagulls' favorite food, so they usually make themselves scarce at this time of year. But, due to recent warm weather, Gabby crabs aren't afraid to come out of their shells. We asked some islanders for their thoughts on the matter.
Is this really serious?
Are you serious? I can't believe it. Thanks for watching. For your 7 o'clock Me News, this is Levi Cage, signing off. What do you think it is? The correct answer is spaghetti. Next up, your second Zoom item. What do you think it is? The correct answer is hot dog. And finally, the last Zoom item. What do you think it is? The correct answer is seashell. You did it. Congratulations. Time for your prize. I don't really know much about this Maggie character. What do you think about me and Maggie? Is that so? Now I'm kinda curious.
Thank goodness it was just a dream. Hey there guys, so sorry, haven't posted in a while. But now episode 1 is over, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And comment if you want to be included. Or if you want to suggest a character, sorry, for the heavy